Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here and you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you are in the right place at the right time. I am NK Joy Sweet. You are welcome to my humble and authentic kitchen. In my channel I share delicious meal. I share my lifestyle. So kindly check out some of my videos on my YouTube community. Any of my recipe that you love, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to give me a like and comment. And don't also forget to try out some of my recipe and also share with me. I will be glad to receive your video or your photo of your recipes. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel and you've been watching my videos, just go to the icon bell. Once you subscribe and you didn't click on the icon bell notification, whenever I update any video, you won't be able to see it. So that is why it's good whenever you subscribe to my channel, click on the icon button so that whenever I update any of my videos, you will be the first to be notified. Please don't just watch my video without liking, without giving me your beautiful comment and thumbs up. It means so much to me, guys. To be honest, guys, tell me if you don't like what you see on my channel. If you don't like what I share on my channel, let me know, guys. And in case you've been watching my videos without liking, without commenting, without supporting, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is free of charge. Hit on the icon button so that whenever I update any of my videos, you will be the first to be notified. Check out some of my recipe on my YouTube community. Any of my recipe that you love, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It means so much to me. Thank you, guys. So today's video, I would love to share with you how to make the best and most delicious and perfect Nigerian black soup, basil scent leaf. Basil is so medicinal and is also a healthy leaf. I will list out all the table contents of the benefit of basil leaf. So when I'm uploading the video on my channel, I'm going to drop the table content and all the ingredients used for this recipe on the description box. Please, if you love what you are seeing here, if you like it, guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching, for connecting, for tuning in. Much appreciated. God bless you all. Thanks to all my YouTube subscribers, to all my return viewers. I say thank you all. God bless you all. Much appreciated. I'm grateful. Thank you all for the like, for the comment. It means so much to me. Much appreciated. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I missed. I know that we're all screwed. To be way more patient. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I missed. I know that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I missed. I know that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I missed. I know that we're all screwed. wish I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for a heart of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. We play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be way more patient. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for a heart of shame. I wish I knew.